Hi, it's Arit here from Essetinomedia, helping you create profitable content. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you how to structure an educational video so you can create engaging content that teaches your audience as well as establishes yourself as an expert in your field. After releasing over 1,800 videos on the channel, about 90% of them, over 90% of them, I would say, are educational videos on this channel. So we know what works, we know what doesn't work. And in this video, I'm sharing my personal way of creating an outline for your video so you know what to say and you know how to structure them to be engaging and to have your message come across. So let's get started. Number one, this is the planning stage of the video before you even start to script it out. You want to make sure you have a clear objective for every single video. An objective basically means that you have a set intention of what you want this video to convey. And the more focused and simplified you can make it, the better. So I highly encourage you to focus each video on a single topic. Just like this one that we're doing here, right? This topic is very specific, how to structure a video, an educational video. And yes, you can feel free to do those overview videos where you're touching upon many different things. But when you think about it, an overview video is still has a very clear objective, right? You want people, the objective of those videos is to give them an overview, a taste of a specific or single topic. When you teach too much in a video, you go off topic, it's really easy for your viewers to get lost or to get disengaged or feel overwhelmed, which is absolutely something that you want to avoid. So make sure that first step, you have a clear objective for each video. Okay, so now we get to actually building the outline for your video. Number two, start off by introducing yourself in the video. So make it really quick, really snappy, your name, maybe your company or your brand name, and a very short one-liner on how you help people. And this is kind of like, you might have heard the term unique selling proposition or even one-liner. That's also a phrase in the marketing business where in a very few amount of words, you're essentially training people, almost like a tagline in a way, but you're training people to associate you and your brand with helping them on a specific topic. So if you notice in the beginning of this video, I said, hey, my name is Arit from Essetinomedia, and I help you create profitable content. And when you start to hear that over and over again in your videos, you're going to associate me, hopefully, with creating profitable content for your business. Another one of our clients, I'll give you another example, she works with nonfiction authors. She's a coach and she produces different educational materials, helping nonfiction authors write their books. So in her videos, she introduces herself as Melody from Author Nation, and she says, your go-to resource for nonfiction authors. So you can kind of spend a little bit of time to think of a very short way of introducing yourself and start off the video with that. The next thing you want to do in your outline is share what your viewers are about to learn and why it's relevant to them or why it's important to them or how it can benefit them. To see an example, let's roll the playback. Hi, it's Arit here from Essetinomedia, helping you create profitable content. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you how to structure an educational video so you can create engaging content that teaches your audience as well as establishes yourself as an expert in your field. So in a very simple way, what is it that you're going to talk about in the video? Say it very simply and also include why they should care, why it will benefit them. So yes, when someone comes and clicks on a video, they do see the title, they're supposed to know already what it's about, but you want to affirm in a way that they are in the right place. So it's totally okay to repeat, in this video, I'm going to share XYZ so that you can, and then talk about a way that it'll either make them feel better, they'll gain more clarity on the topic, it'll help them do this specific thing faster or more efficiently. Really focus on the benefit. And again, this is all in a very short manner. So I would say your introduction and this piece right here where you're talking about what is in the video as well as how it can benefit them is about 25%, less than 25% of the video. Next, we come to the teaching part. So take your topic, remember your objective from the first step, I want you to take that specific thing, that topic, and break it down into fundamental concepts, teaching concepts that you could touch upon in the video. So again, using this video as an example is almost like a little inception thing that we're doing here, but I'm going to use this video as an example. So the objective is to help you structure a great educational video for your YouTube channel. So I asked myself, when I was planning this video, I asked myself, what do my viewers need to understand, or what steps do they need to take in order to reach this objective of structuring a great educational video? And so I thought about those things. I was like, okay, yeah, they need to have that objective clear in their mind beforehand. And then when they're writing their outline, they need to start by introducing themselves, da 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 da. So you want to do the same thing for your video and breaking it down into very concrete, fundamental steps for your viewers, because it's easier to digest that way. So in relation to teaching, the teaching part of your video, it's the meat of your video, right? It's 50%. And we get this question a lot. How long should this portion be? How long should I teach on a topic? Because I could go on and on a specific topic. And the answer is not black and white. You're gonna be teaching on the topic for as long as you need to get through those steps or the learning objective in a very simple and clear way. Nothing less and nothing more. Because when you start to go over, it's just a bunch of fluff, which you don't want your viewers to experience, and anything less of that is not giving enough value to your viewers. So in short, it takes as long as it takes to teach on that specific topic and help your viewers reach that objective that you have in mind for the video. Next, after you've done all of the teaching bit, now comes your call to action, and you want every single video to have a call to action, really important. I wouldn't recommend including more than 2, like 2 is maximum, 1 is best, 1 is ideal, because the more call to actions you have in the video, the less likely you'll convert on any of them, the less likely people will take action on any one of those given. Because the more call to actions you have, the fewer chances that people will take action on any given one of them. So a call to action is something like asking your viewers to subscribe to the channel, or leaving a comment down below in the video. Or it could be to check out a page on your website. It could be to book a consult with you. We personally rotate our call to actions specific to the video itself. So because I'm teaching on a topic that is related to YouTube, then I might tell you about our YouTube course near the end of this video. Hint, hint, I do end up telling you about this course at the end of this video. So you want to do the same thing. If you do have a related product or service on the topic that you're teaching, feel free in a very simple way to give people that call to action to go check it out. If you're not selling anything yet, that's totally fine too. Invite people to join your community, either a Facebook group or just subscribing to the channel. And lastly, in a very short, concise way, you want to end the video off with a goodbye line in a way, or just saying thank you for watching. So you can get creative with this line. In our videos, we say thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I know, for example, some of our clients in the writing space that teach on writing, they'll end the video off by saying thanks so much for watching and happy writing. You know, you can play with it, have fun with it. But again, keep it short. The call to action and this end line of yours for each video is 25% or less of the video. So after building out this outline, as you just learned in this video, what you're gonna do is then maybe you'll go and script it out fully if that's something you wanna do, or you can start to film it right away from the outline. Everyone's process is different. And if you wanna learn how to use your expertise in these videos, what kinds of videos to create, we do have a course called The Profitable Channel, which dives into detail of exactly how to do this, how to structure the videos, what types of videos to create, how to give people the call to action to go check out your other products and services, essentially how to earn more from your channel using your expertise. So I'll include a link to that course down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.